Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Insta360 One R, the cage, and the frame. Ladies and gentlemen, now welcome to the metal cage about this Insta360 One R action cameras. You can see it's nicely built, and this metal cage is actually designed, engineered, and crafted by Ulanzi. My name is Yixun Guo, a 360 photographer lover specialized in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master a one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. Back to this metal cage. This metal cage is nicely built and it just finished a few days ago. I would like to share with you my personal experience about this metal cage. Now let's open the box of the Ulanzi One R metal cage. Inside the box we have several stuff. One of them is the main part is Ulanzi metal cage, some advertisement and some stickers about this brand. And actually the Ulanzi have two names. One of them is Ulanzi, a small brand focused on photography. Another brand is UURig, focused on the camera vlog accessories. And inside the box we also have some other stuff. This is a hex mount, a hex screwdriver with 2 screws, and this is a GoPro mount. This is a patent design. And the box is made of hard paper, very small and elegant. And now let's make a comparison before the Insta360 official cage versus the Ulanzi metal cage. For the Insta360 official cage, it's made of plastic. There's no cold shoe mount on the frame. For the buttons on the top, sometimes they are really hard to press, so you need to push them really hard to trigger your camera when during action. And on the bottom is a conventional GoPro mount, but here we have a 1/4-inch mount for the tripod and for selfie stick. Sometimes you need to tighten really hard to anti-twist. Now let's talk about this Ulanzi metal cage. A red trigger on the top to help you open the frame on the back. So you can put your camera inside this cage. And this is red is very compatible with the red battery base in the design language. And on the top we can see the brand name Ulanzi. And on the top we have the point to track feature. On the bottom side you can see C1R. It stands for cage for 1R. Another great feature for this metal cage is on the top and on the right we have 2 cold shoe mount. As you can see, if I have a Blink 500, I can put this in this place or in this place. On the bottom, we can see there's a 1/4-inch mount with 4 extra 1/4-inch mount. So this cage is also designed for the professionals. First up, let's try to put the 360 mode inside this cage. To put these 2 buttons aligned to this part, tighten up. And now you can see the 360 mode has been inserted to the metal cage. The 360 build will not capture the frames. The frame is invisible and we can capture everything around us without capturing this metal cage. On the right side you can see we can also open this Type-C protections, take out the SD card or charge. We can charge with the power bank grip. It also works compatible with the microphone adapter, so you can put the microphone adapter here. The 360 mode is working really well with the metal cage. Let's try this 1-inch Leica mod. Put this 1-inch Leica mod inside the cage. As usual, we have to remove the protection lens, the protection glass at first. And we put this inside this cage. As you can see, it works really well with the metal cage. And screw it up, put on the back door and tighten it up. If we take a closer look at the top cold shoe mount, you can see that it will not interfere with the protection case. You can put something insert at this side without any interference. It will not be captured by the 1-inch Leica mod, this lens. You can see here. This wireless microphone is invisible in the final shot. And you can if you put this lavalier microphone on the right, it's also invisible. For the cold shoe mount, you can put the small LED panel on the top for the light. The vlogger will like it very much. To put this wireless microphone system on the right, put this inside this Type-C to the microphone adapter. Okay, and put it in this direction. And now this is gonna be a very interesting vlogging setup for the Insta360 One R. 1-inch Leica mount, front screen, LED panel, and the best sound quality. Actually, it is the vlogging setup for me right now. On the VL49, the LED panel will also have 3 extra corkscrew mount on the frame. Next up, let's talk about this very interesting and very clever GoPro mount design. As you can see on the bottom of the cage, if we can mount this GoPro extension accessory with 2 hexagon screws with the screwdrivers in the package. And now you can see this GoPro mount has a rectangle shape at the end, and this is a very clever design compared with the conventional GoPro mount, which has a round shape on the end. And this design is patented by Ulanzi. The reason why the Ulanzi designed a rectangle shape at the end is because when you put this mount with the GoPro accessories such as the GoPro Shorty mini tripod, it will never twist. If you tighten up with the screw, it will never twist. So this is actually a very interesting and a very clever design from the Ulanzi designer. And this works really well with this 360 build. But what if you have to want to tilt the camera a little bit? That's very easy. Take it out a little bit. Like this. You can see here. We can take it out a little bit. And now it will tilt. Now it can tilt, right? If we want to have anti-twist mechanism, we tighten up till the end and tighten up with the screw. And now it will never tilt. Okay, so that is a very clever design from the Ulanzi designer. That is all the great features about this metal cage. Oh yes, with this 4 extra 1/4-inch mount, you can also mount some extra magical arms like this. So that is all about the great features about this Insta360 One R metal cage. Okay, to wrap up for this video, this metal cage is really nicely built for the Insta360 One R, and with some very unique design, we have extended capability for the Insta360 One R, especially for the vloggers, professional users. I hope you love this cage, and I hope you can make the most of your Insta360 One R. That's all for this video. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.